Hello guys, this is how my Monday trade is going. You understand? And thank God, the only thing that is giving me joy in this particular trade is because I share it with my people on Telegram. You understand? So this is how it's going, and this just look at how it's going before we continue to like talk any other things, man. So this one is Euro USD analysis that I do with my phone in the morning. You understand? I see this pattern in the morning as I come on my screen. I see this particular pattern. I see a head and like this is a shoulder, this is a head, and this is a shoulder. As you can see, a head and shoulder. So I do this analysis. You understand? There is a fair value gap up here, but I do not really mind the fair value gap because of this thing, because of this particular engulfing candle, this bearish engulfing candle that you are seeing here. You understand? So I just mark the market is going to this particular major support level, just as I always tell you guys how to do your simple technical analysis. You understand? So I just leave Euro USD J. You understand? But you see how it's going now like this. So let me show you. So after I do that analysis on Euro USD, I screenshot it and I update my people on this thing X, which is Twitter before, but now X. So I update them. This is what I told them on X. You understand? This is it here. This is what I write. This is benvfx here. If you want to search me on Twitter, this is it here. I say Euro USD form a head and shoulder. So I'm expecting a break to the I'm expecting a break to the major support level before I will look for a buy. You understand? This is it here. Euro USD form a head and shoulder. You understand? So I'm expecting a break to the major support level before I will look for a buy. And here is the major support level. You understand? This is the major support level. As you can see, I put a buy limit on this particular major support level. You get? I put a buy limit there. So whenever the market go there, it will pick me. Definitely, if the market go there, anytime the market reach that particular support level, it's gonna pick me. You understand? But let's see how it got. That one is going to be first. Jelly. Let's see how that one is going to be first. So this is the one I take on DPUSD that I share with my people, with people who are with my people who are on my Telegram channel. You understand? So this is this is the entry. As you can see, what happened to me on Friday nearly happened to me today. But I look at it and say, no, this is exactly the type of candlestick Euro USD give me on Friday that makes me lost trade on Friday. As you can see, this particular first engulfing candle, you understand, before they break down to the major support level, you get, before the market give this healthy engulfing candle. Then immediately I see that healthy engulfing candle, I wait for this particular other one to come down a bit, you understand, before I buy, but it closed bullish. So I just enter to position direct from this particular area, just as you can see. You understand? Immediately I enter these two position, I screenshot it. You understand? I screenshot it. I say let me just pull SL and take profit so that my people on Telegram can just follow what I did, because I'll be following them back to back, giving them the update on what to do. You understand? So I put SL and take profit. You understand? Then I tell them to enter immediately. And this is when I update them on Telegram. Let me show you. Let me show you when I update them on Telegram. Real quick. You understand? I don't leave them. Once, like, if I get any entry immediately, I will just let them know immediately that let them enter. You understand? And if I see that the market is going the way, because there is something the market is doing, GBPUSD is forming that particular time, I'm seeing a bearish, like strong bearish engulfing candle, but I can't see my pattern from the support level, and that always tempts me to take a trade. I don't know why. You understand? Oh, yeah, this is it here. So this is it. As you can see, we are just 64. You understand? I have just 64 subscribers on my Telegram channel. So this is it. This is when I tell them to buy. You understand? This is when I tell them to buy. I say, buy GPUSD now. Manage risk, please. I beg them, manage risk, please. please. You understand? So then I think this is the last trade that I share with them. You understand? This is the last trade that I share with them. This is the last trade that I share with them. Closed or already. You understand? This is the last trade that I share with them. Then this is it here. This is how I follow them up today, because once I give you signal, I must be following you up so that there will not be any mistake. So immediately I told them that buy GBP now, manage risk please. Then I told them again, I say 12 pip SL, because that's 12 pip. I use 12 pip SL. You understand? So as the market reach 1 to 1 immediately, I tell them 1 to 1 RR. You understand? 1:1 RR already. You can start securing some profit. You understand? So I just told them like that, follow them back to back to back to back. Then as you can see here, as I took some profit out, as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, but this is some profit that I took out here. You understand? This is it here. I took some profit out here, and I told them that see mine, you understand, means I've taken some profit already. And this is it. Let me. I say, see mine. So then after TP1 hit, you understand, the way the candlestick form, I was expecting it to go all the way to this particular area, but because of the bearish engulfing candle I was seeing from 1 hour time frame, I just say let me put it on break even. You understand? So after after TP1 BE hit, you understand, giving them the update, you understand, immediately, no time, you get. So that's how I follow them up, back to back to back to back, you understand, because there's no time, you understand. If I don't follow them up immediately, they might go and do another thing, you understand. Maybe somebody that take a trade and be waiting for me to give update to not just know what to do on time, you understand. So if I give signal, I need to be following them up immediately, back to back to back to back, showing them what exactly I'm doing on my chart, you understand. So this is how everything play out, you understand. This is exactly everything play out. As I show them, this is where we enter from, as you can see. So immediately after my TP1, you understand, immediately after my TP1, I put the remaining one on break even. You understand? Expecting it to reach TP2. You understand? The other one to reach TP2 at the top here, as you can see. Expecting it to reach TP2 at the top here, but the market consolidates. I'll show you the reason why the market could not be able to reach this particular area, despite of this particular bullish engulfing candle, the sweep out of the first engulfing candle here. You understand? Despite all this particular engulfing candle, the market could not be able to reach TP2. I'll show you the reason why. Very, very quick. So this is the reason why the market could not reach that TP2 immediately. You understand? Let me show you. If you look closely here, there is a massive drop on this is 1 hour time frame, as you can see here. This is 1 hour time frame. You understand? This 1 hour time frame. So the market give this massive drop to the downside, come up again, give this bearish engulfing candle, consolidate to the upside, go to that resistance level, give another this massive bearish engulfing candle. Then the market move to the resistance level again, give another bearish engulfing candle to the downside before I get my entry from this particular support level. That is the main reason why the market could not be able to reach that TP2. You understand? That's the main reason why the market could not be able to reach that TP2. Immediately after the TP1 that I put, and I see how everything is going from the 1 hour time frame, I say before this particular market can be able to take out this particular resistance level, it will be very hard, and the market is going to like consolidate. So it's better I put it on break even, then let them know. So that's the reason why I put it on break even, and I told them that they should secure profit when the market is on reach TP1. You understand? Then put the remaining one on break even, and immediately as I put my own on break even, I let them know that yes, I've put mine on break even. Let them do exactly the same thing I'm doing. You understand? So this is here. This is it. So after the market try, it could not go up. It try, it could not go up. It try, it could not go up. I said, oh, no wahala. So this is what the market later do. This is exactly the final result of the trade. This is it here. This is the final result. After TP1 hit, full rate on break even, the market come down. You understand? I took the trade before I marked this particular fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame. You understand? But the market come down, touch the fair value gap, then start moving up. By then it has hit break even. You understand? But I like it that way because the kind of candlestick that is forming from the on the 1 hour time frame, it's not a candlestick that the market can be able to like break the resistance to the upside immediately. So I just and Euro USD and JP USD, they work hand to hand. You understand? So there is a head and shoulder form on Euro USD. Like as I do not see a head and shoulder on GBP USD, it doesn't mean that the market could not be able to go down. You understand? And there is a sign already that yes, the market can go to the downside anytime because of that bearish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame. So it's better you secure your profit, you understand, then protect your capital than to just leave everything go in your favor, then you can later reverse back and hit your SL again. You understand? No, I'm a trader who is very careful in protecting my capital. You understand? That protecting capital is my second name. After aggressively active, protecting capital is my second name. Protecting capital is my second name if you don't know. So far so good. What I generate today is Monday. I don't want to risk too much. I just see my signal and I took the trade. What I generate so far, my total generation is the total of what I generate is $30, $31 and something. Let me show you guys. Let me show you what would generate in total. Let me show you what will generate in total. This is exactly what will generate in total. As you can see, this is what will generate. This is exactly what will generate $31.1. That's exactly what I generated. Then commission carry $2 from inside, just 29. This 29, I can raise this 29 tomorrow. You understand? So just gradually, slow and steady. If your strategy play out, just enter, then protect your capital, protect your side. You understand? Any trade that will go in your favor will not come down to hit your break even. You understand? Any trade that have given you 1 to 1, close to 1 to 2, that come down to hit your break even means let it be what it is. You understand? Let it be what it is, man. Don't pursue anything. Don't rush yourself. You understand? And don't be greedy. Take what the market give you. You understand? Because you are not in the control of the market. Don't be greedy. Stick to your strategy and take what the market give you. You understand? So that's it. What's the next thing I need to show you guys? What is the next thing? Okay, this is where the market is. You understand? On Euro USD, before I detect that head and shoulder, this is it here. This is exactly where the market is before I detect that head and shoulder. You understand? But the market is around this particular area. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. You understand? The market is at this particular area, just as I show you guys, and I see that the market form a head and shoulder, as you can see. The market form a head and shoulder, and since then it come from this particular resistance level where the second shoulder is, come to the support level. On this particular support level, what the market is doing, you will never believe. This is it, giving a like a spike impulsive engulfing candle, but that not really concern me. Today is Monday. If you are not careful, you are going to chop SL that you did not plan for. You understand? If you are not careful on Monday, any day, say if you are not careful, you are going to chop SL that you do not plan for. So be very careful. You understand? Be very careful. So one thing again before I end the video, I host a live section every 8 p.m. except if there is no light. You understand? Except if there is no light. Except if there is no light. But if there is light, I host a live section on YouTube here every 8 p.m. So you can come and join us, ask any question, whatever is hurting you on the chat, just let me know. Talk so that we'll rub mind together before you lose all your money. Then go to social media and go and be calling Forex a scam. Forex is not a scam. All you need is to be very, very calm down and get the knowledge before you call Forex a scam. Forex is not a scam. All Forex needs from you is to be calm, get the knowledge, and move. But if you call it a scam, in your face, people will chop life. Yeah. And you say, God bless these people and this and that. But no, they take the risk, and by then you are calling Forex a scam. See you in my next video. Bye for now.